VacuBond, the world's most advanced optical bonding for LCDs. A dry process using pure silicone gel, applied in a vacuum chamber for flawless results. Why VacuBond? Engineered for precision, VacuBond is compatible with most industrial displays, ensuring clean and reliable bonding every time. Ideal for outdoor applications. Pure silicone gel doesn't yellow over time, even under UV. Built for defense, rugged, reliable, ready. Enhances durability in shock, vibration, and extreme temperatures. Critical for mission-ready 5G impact resistance-enabled devices in the field. Ideal for embedded systems in military and tactical environments. Fast, flexible, compatible. Quick turnaround on prototypes. Works with all touchscreen technologies and cover glass. Explosion-proof display solutions. Fully ATEX-compatible bonding. Air-free process, no voids, no weak points. Complete gel coverage for maximum safety. Compromising quality. We deliver clarity you can trust, zero visual defects, every time. VacuBond from FORTEC UK, raising the standard in optical bonding. Contact us today for further information or to discuss your next project.